is Make It Monday, and today we're gonna make a paper plate turtle. And here he is, he's so cute. And I will tell you what items you need. You'll need a paper plate. You can have some googly eyes, or you can choose to draw googly eyes. You'll also need some popsicle sticks, or you can always cut out legs. And what I used, instead of using the tissue paper, I used the streamers, which was a little bit easier for me to cut out. So let's be on our way. Okay, so I have some help here today, and she's already starting on the face and the tail, because we're going to work backwards. We're going to start this because we have to use the bottom of the plate in order to secure the tail and the head. So while she's doing that, I'll tell you about how we got the squares. I used this because it was a lot easier. So what I did was I took a strip and kind of folded it into 2 layers. And that way it should give us enough tissue to actually use. We have 3 popsicle sticks. You'll take and you can cut them in half, and that way you will have 1 for the legs in the front, 2 for the back, and you'll have 1 to support his head and the tail. I use tape to secure. Now let's put the tail in its place. Now we're going to take and flip it over, and you can see this is where the head goes, the tail, and he's up on his legs. So let's go ahead and cut out the head. So I guess we will place some eyes on, and I will continue to cut out the tail. So let's go ahead and attach the tail. Now here's the part where you can have the choice of putting the glue stick on or using the glue. So we're going to take and use a generous amount of glue. We're going to start at the ends because we need to round it around. So you're going to kind of fold. And what you can do is you can use your little sponge, or you can just do it with your finger if you like, but just smooth some of the glue in around the edges. You'll constantly add more glue. So what do you think? Finished product?
Yeah. Just gotta wait for it to dry.
Yes. Thank you for joining me on Make It Monday. I had a great time making our little turtles, and I hope you'll join me again soon.